Hello friends, welcome to my channel Plant Pathology Pathsala. I am Jumishri Meher, PhD scholar from Banaras Hindu University. So here we are discussing the second part of ICAR SRF Crop Science 2 question paper 2019-20. So without delay, let's start the rest of the questions. What is the other name for frontoclypeal sulcus? So the answer is epistomal sulcus. Frons means forehead and clypeus means seal. This is the sulcus which extends along the epistomal line. That's why it is known as epistomal sulcus. Next question number 52. Melissococcus plutoneus causes which of the following disease? So the answer is European foul brood. Melissococcus plutoneus is a bacterial pathogen that is causing the European foul brood disease in the honeybee. Okay. Next question number 53. The elicitor synthesized and released by gram-negative bacteria to trigger the hypersensitive reaction is, so the answer is harpine. Harpine are the glycinase and heat stable compound that are responsible for hypersensitive reaction when the interaction between bacteria and non-host crop occurs. These harpine are released by the type 3 secretion system. I have already discussed that the elicitor or the effector molecules are secreted by type 3 secretion system. The next question is question number 54. Azadirachtin belongs to which class of compound? So the answer is triterpenoid. This is a compound that is extracted from neem seed. This is a very useful chemical or compound which is helpful for insect control. It works as stomach poison. Okay. And it also acts as repellent and feeding deterrent also because of the bitter taste. Question number 55. Fatty acid based fingerprinting is used to detect or identify. So the answer is bacteria. So bacteria are detected by using fatty acid based fingerprinting technique. Next question is question number 56. Red color of tomato fruit is due to presence of. So the answer is lycopene. This is a very common question, mostly asked in different exams. So this lycopene compound is responsible for the red color of tomato fruit. Next, question number 57. Identify the plant with biofumigant property. So the answer is mustard. When this mustard plant is buried in soil, by the degeneration of tissue, it releases a compound that is the isothiocyanate. This isothiocyanate is very helpful for control of insect pests. तो जो isothiocyanate है that is the main active ingredient for which it is used as biofumigant. Next question, question number 58. First computer simulation program of plant disease epidemics was published for. So the answer is early blight of tomato and potato. So for this disease, first computer simulation program was developed. Next question is the virus always associated with satellite RNA is. So the answer is cucumber mosaic virus. Satellite virus and satellite RNA both are different. The satellite virus is a subviral agent that can synthesize its own capsid, but this satellite RNA, it is unable to synthesize its own capsid. It depends on the helper virus for the synthesis of capsid. Example of satellite RNA virus is cucumber mosaic virus. Next question is royal jelly in honeybee is produced by. So the answer is Worker bee only. Royal jelly. It is a viscous substance secreted by hypopharyngeal gland or the mandibular gland. Okay, that is in the worker bee. This is very essential for feeding the larva of queen. Next question number 61. Organophosphorus insecticides act by inhibiting. So the answer is acetylcholine. Organophosphorus and carbamide pesticide. These are well known for choline esterase inhibitors. It leads to accumulation of acetylcholine inside the tissue. Okay. Next question is, the suffix oidea is associated with, here the options are wrong. The suffix oidea is used for subfamily, not superfamily. Okay, it is used for subfamily. Next question is, the virus that requires a helper virus for transmission through aphid is the potyvirus. Potyvirus are transmitted by aphid in a non-persistent manner. Actually, it does not need a helper virus. It needs a helper component. The helper component or helper component protease is must for the transmission of the potyvirus or potato Y virus through the aphid. Next question is, millipedes are included in, so the answer is Diplopoda. The Chilopoda, it includes the centipedes. Okay. Next question number 65. Which chromogenic reagent is used for color development in carbamates? So the answer is p-nitrobenzyl pyridinium fluoroborate. This compound is used as chromogenic reagent for color development in carbamates. Next question is, which is the weakest hydrocide? So the answer is HCN. Hydrocide means an acid that does not contain oxygen. From the option you can see that all are containing oxygen and this is the only acid that is not containing any oxygen. Next question is, T mosquito belongs to the order. So the answer is Hemiptera. T mosquito bug. This is a very important major sucking pest of the cashew nut plantation in India. Generally, bugs are included in Hemipteran only. So, T mosquito is a bug and it is included in the Hemipteran group. Next, question number 68. The signal in 1-HNMR of O-hydroxyacetophenone at around 11 delta is because of, so the answer is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Next question is, a viral disease dwindling button mushroom production in Europe is, so the answer is X disease. The virus causing the X disease is mushroom virus X, that is containing double-stranded RNA as genome. This disease is also known as brown crab mushroom disease. Next question number 70. Coat protein mediated transgenic resistance is demonstrated in, so the answer is papaya. This is first time done against the papaya ring spot virus. This works by using the principle or the by method of RNA silencing. Next question is question number 71. The trade name of glyphosate is, so the answer is Roundup. Glyphosate is a broad spectrum systemic herbicide and it is marketed with the trade name Roundup. Next question is, storage kidneys in insect are, so the answer is nephrocyte. In insect, nephrocytes are thought to be act as temporary storage kidneys and taking up the toxins, but it releases that with or without modification. Okay. These are the temporary kidney in the insect. Next question number 73. Which software is used for performing phylogenetic analysis? Answer is PAUP. The full form of PAUP is phylogenetic analysis using parsimony. Okay, PAUP. This is for the performing phylogenetic analysis. Next question number 74. The genus Erwinia has been reassigned into which of the following four genera? So, the four genera in which this Erwinia has been reassigned are Erwinia, Pantoi, Enterobacter and Serratia. These are the four genera. Next, question number 75. Some oils are termed as essential oil because they possess aroma. An essential oil is a concentrated hydrophobic liquid containing the volatile chemical compounds from plants and that retain the natural smell and flavor or the essence. But this essential is generally used as in case of amino acid also, in fatty acids also, but in that condition it is used because that fatty acid or the amino acid are very helpful or very essential for growth and development of the human body or any other organism. That's why they are called as essential, but here the essential term is not used in that sense. Okay, next question number 76. The lethal time required to kill 50% of population of test animal at a certain dose or concentration is called. So the answer is LD50. In toxicology, the median lethal dose LD50, or it is also known as LC50 or LCE50, is a measure of lethal dose of a toxin or radiation or maybe pathogen. Okay, so the value LD50 for any substance is the dose required to kill half of the member of a test population after a specific test duration. Okay, next question number 77. Name the design used for simple plot experiments in laboratory. So the answer is complete randomized design or CRD. In laboratory condition, mainly the CRD design is used, but the degree of freedom must or minimum degree of freedom is 12. Next, question number 78. The number of isomers present in a technical HCH is, so the answer is 8. Next question is question number 79. Coiloblastula is a stage during, so the answer is embryonic development. Coiloblastula is a type of blastula which has a fluid filled cavity. Okay. Next question number 80. The assemblies of all nematode population of an area is called, so the answer is nematode ecosystem. Next, question number 81. Threshold level of Globigerina rostrochinensis is, answer is 10 cysts per 100 gram of soil. This is the threshold level. After attainment of this, we must start the management practices or the chemical must be applied after the attainment of this number. Next, question number 82. Juvenile hormone is released by, answer is corpora allata. Juvenile hormone is a compound which regulates the insect development, reproduction, diapause and polyphenism. It was first discovered by Wigglesworth in 1930s. It is secreted from corpora allata or corpus allatum. Next, question number 83. The antibiotic duodermycin is produced by, so the answer is Bacillus cereus. Duodermycin is an antibiotic that has been identified from the bacteria Bacillus cereus U885. Okay, the strain of Bacillus cereus from which this deuteramycin is isolated is the UW85. It suppresses the plant diseases. It is having a broad spectrum activity against different gram negative and positive bacteria. Next, question number 84. Beta aminobutyric acid induces, answer is SAR, means systemic acquired resistance. Beta aminobutyric acid, short form is BABA. It induces systemic acquired resistance. It is used as a kind of marker to study the SAR. Okay. Next, question number 104. Which of the following is used in mosquito repellent coils? Answer is Ala-3. This is a synthetic pyrethroid, means pyrethroid is extracted from chrysanthemum, but this is a synthetic version of pyrethroid. It was first synthesized by Milton S. Schechter in 1949 in USA, which is used as mosquito repellent. Next, question number 105. Which of the following dithiocarbamate fungicide contain both Zn and Mn? So the answer is Mancozeb. Mancozeb is a broad spectrum fungicide that is formed by a mixture of two fungicides, that is Zinib and Manib, and it contains 60% Mn and 2% Zn. Next, question number 106. The drying agent used to remove traces of moisture from chloroform is, answer is anhydrous calcium chloride. So anhydrous calcium chloride used as drying agent to remove moisture from the chloroform. Next, question number 107. Which of the following is a liquid formulation? So answer is SL. SL means soluble liquid. So this abbreviation is used to symbolize the liquid formulation. Next, question number 108. Which is the strongest oxalic acid? Answer is HClO4. It is known as perchloric acid. It is a stronger acid than sulfuric and nitric acid. It is a mineral acid. Okay, perchloric acid. Next, question number 109. Yellow mosaic virus disease of mung bean is transmitted by, answer is Bemisia tabaci. This is a white fly. So the mung bean yellow mosaic virus is transmitted by white fly, that is the Bemisia tabaci. Next, question number 110. In moth, deformed wings are developed due to deficiency of, so the answer is linoleic acid. This is an essential fatty acid which is needed for the development or for development of the wings, okay, in insect or in moths. Next, question number 111. Where there is high age-specific survival probability of a population in early and middle life followed by a rapid decrease in survival, the type of survival curve will be, answer is convex. So in this type of survival, the survival curve will be convex in nature. Next, question number 112. RNA virus are detected through, answer is RT-PCR, that is real-time PCR. So real-time PCR is used to detect the RNA virus. Next, question number 113. Mac-Lafferty rearrangement takes place in compounds containing, answer is abstractable hydrogen at gamma position carbonyl moiety. Next, question number 114. Which insecticide among the following falls in the least toxic category? So the answer is flubendiamide. Flubendiamide is a first representative of a new chemical class or new chemical insecticide class, that is the diamides. It is a very useful insecticide because it is having a peculiar mode of action, or the target site, that is the it act on the receptor at insect muscles. Okay, that's why it is used for management of the insecticide resistance because of the peculiar mode of action or the target site. Next question number 115. Hamulate type of wing coupling mechanism is found in, answer is honeybee. So in honeybee, Hamulate type wing coupling mechanism is seen. Next question number 116. Taxonomic monograph was prepared by, so the answer is Deeman in 1950. So by Deeman in 1950, the taxonomic monograph was prepared. Next question number 117. Adhesion and aprosorial development in fungal pathogen are due to, answer is hydrophobin. So the hydrophobin are a group of small cysteine-rich proteins in fungi. It has ability to form a hydrophobic or water repellent coating on the surface of an object, so that if the fungus can easily adhere to the surface and start the infection process. Next, question number 118. Glycine is used to, answer is seal the nematode on slide. This is a very important fixative agent or sealing agent for sealing the nematode on slides. Next question is question number 119. Which of the following is a mycoherbicide? Answer is Collego. Mycoherbicide means fungus used as herbicide. Collego. It is a wettable powder formulation of Colletotrichum gliosporoides. First bioherbicide or the mycoherbicide discovered is the Divine, that is a product of Phytophthora parmivora. Other mycoherbicides are Cassette, Biomol, etc. Okay. Next question number 120. Scientific name of purple mite infesting tea plant is, answer is Calacaris carinatus. Okay. So this is the scientific name of purple mite infesting the tea plants. So this is the end of this video. So we have discussed 120 questions from pathology, entomology, nematology and sericulture section. Rest 80 questions we will discuss in a separate video. So stay tuned to this channel and like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.